everybody, what is up? Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and we're going to be looking at the ACEFAST PD65W fast charger. And did I mention this thing's fast? Like that, right? All right, well, stay tuned and learn more about this awesome product in this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Come on. So in today's episode, like I said, we're going to be looking at the ACEFAST PD65W charger. This thing is phenomenal. It's fast, it's dual ported, it's USB-C and A. It's amazing, but let's knock out a couple features and tell you guys exactly why this thing is so great. So this 65-watt charger has 3 ports and it handles 65-watt fast charging. If you have a device that's compatible with ultra fast charging, then this puppy right here is gonna pump it out and charge it up super fast. I'm talking fully charging in about 2 hours from like nothing, right? And now when you look at the battery sizes of most phones, you know that's a big deal. And because it's a dual USB-C plus A charging device, you can simultaneously charge ultra fast multiple devices. Did I mention it's 3 devices? That's right, this thing has 3 ports. With a 100-watt charging cable supplied directly in the box, you can transfer speeds at up to 480 megabytes per second. That's fast. So essentially, you can use the cable that comes in the box and just hook your phone right up to a device and transfer all those files directly off of that device to a PC or laptop or whatever, right? At super fast speeds. No more are the days of waiting hours and hours and hours to move a gig. This thing will do a gig in like, I don't know, 2 seconds. Like I said, 480 megabytes per second. And it's up to 3 times faster than the original Apple charger, right? So the Apple charger is around 5 watts. This thing is 65 watts. You get what you pay for. Yes, they're gonna give you that for free, but you're gonna spend all day charging your devices. And with this, 2 hours or less. It's worth the investment. So a couple of the compatible devices include things like the MacBook Pro 16, any device that pretty much uses USB-C, but you want to make sure that it is compatible with 65-watt charging. But there are a couple protocols built in this product as well to make sure you don't overcharge or just burn out some of your products or devices. But any smartphones that have USB-C, this thing's gonna work. And like I said, tablets, devices, MacBooks, the fact that you can use this to charge a MacBook is awesome. Just to name a few of the compatible devices when we hit smartphones, let's look at the Google Nexus. It's gonna handle all those, pretty much any Galaxy device. Again, if you have a smartphone that uses USB-C, this puppy right here is gonna charge that device up super fast. USB-A and USB-C connect with the 3 ports. This thing is just a beast. What a combo inside this device. So 3 ports, ultra fast charging, 65-watt ultra fast charging. On top of that, it has a foldable feature so that you can make this device super compact and portable. Oh man, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Dual USB-C port plus the USB-A port. It's fast charging 3 devices at the same time, 65-watt total max output. So again, the more devices you put on it, the slower it will go. But with that said, it is still going to be so much better than the original 5-watt charger. And that's because it has intelligent output. Multiple circuit protection, that means safer charging. But if you guys want to learn more information about the ACEFAST PD65W charger, you can check out the links below and hit up that description and go to their website and just get all the flavor saver knowledge that you want and desire. And again, a huge shout out to ACEFAST for working with us and sponsoring this video. And let us know what you thought in the comments below. What did you guys think? Have you guys been getting into the fast charging, or are you still using that stinky old 5-watt charger? We want to know. That's the whole point of Good Tech Cheap. It's good tech that's affordable, that will enhance your life. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Again, I'm your host, Matthew, and I'll see you guys in the next review. That's not how Brad's music goes. All right, well, I tried.